Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy PEPE coin. In this video you will see two different ways to buy this coin from a centralized or decentralized exchange. So PEPE coin is a meme coin in the Ethereum network and it's probably the most popular meme coin at the moment. Here you can see PEPE coin performance in the last 24 hours and we can also see how it went in the last month. It went up almost 500% and the market cap is more than $3 billion and the trading volume in the last 24 hours is more than $1 billion. If you want to invest in PEPE, it's important to know that this is a meme coin, which means there is no real project behind it and the meme coin has no real use. But if you want to buy PEPE anyways, you can go to their website and here you can see all the platforms where you can get this coin, like Binance or Bybit, KuCoin, Crypto.com and more. If you prefer using a decentralized exchange, you can go to CoinMarketCap and here where it says PEPE Markets, you can filter it and get the decentralized exchange, and here is the list. You can get it from Uniswap or PancakeSwap and more. But in my case I will be using Binance, so I will go right here and I will go to my spot wallet. You can go wherever you have the money at, and in my case I will be using euros. You can use dollars or USDT or wherever you have. So we just need to click convert right here and select the currency we want to spend. In my case euros, I will be spending 10 euros. And here we need to select PEPE. Here you can also see the rate, which means the price you will be buying those PEPE coins at. And let's just convert. Confirm the conversion. And that's it. Now we have the PEPE coins in my wallet. Let me go to my wallet again. And here you can see PEPE. Let me hide this real quick. And we have almost $11 worth of PEPE coins. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.